Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two trading platform, which is Trojanbot and Photon. So to get started, Trojanbot is a well-established and highly regarded Telegram bot known for its comprehensive feature set, including MEV protection, various other types, robust copy trading capabilities. Its strength also lies in providing a full suite of control that gives traders significant control over their entries and exits, which can also be crucial for managing risk in the unpredictable meme coin market, alongside its reputation for fast execution and consistent development. Phantom, on the other hand, distinguished itself with a strong focus on real-time insight, snipes, and a user-friendly interface specifically tailored for identifying and trading new token launches quickly. It often provides features like trending tokens, alert, and integrated charts to help discover opportunities swiftly. While also aiming for speed and efficiency, Phantom's emphasis is more on giving traders an edge in the initial moment of a meme coin's life cycle. However, some user reviews have noted high fee and occasional issues with failed transaction or minimum withdrawal amount, indicating that while it excels in discovery and sniping, it might have a steeper learning curve or less reliable execution compared to Trojan's broader robustness. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, don't know the notification button and subscribe for more compare reviews.